Okay, here's Spotty. And just looking around. And here's our cross-country course. One, I'd say 2 stride, one stride, and then 2 stride. Go on, Spot. Okay, so he's gonna do the bounce sort of thing. Come. And then no, wrong way, bud. Stay. Oh my god. That was sort of cute. Okay, again. Sit. 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 Still in training.